'Cause all of me.
What's up, you guys? How's everybody doing? Today is Thursday, January 25th. Yes, I have to check. If you hear a noise in the background, that is my dryer, so don't get scared. I am gonna keep my voice a little low because my daughter is napping. So I know I said I will have this video up for you guys on Monday, how to create your first vision board, but life happens, you get busy, you know, so it was impossible for me to put it up, you know. I have it now ready and we're gonna do it step by step together, okay? You create your own depending on what is your goal for that vision, for your vision board. So depending on the goal, you create your own and what you want to see. Today I picked weight loss, obviously, and my goal is to achieve this within 2 months because of the plan that I chose. So let's hope that I actually achieve it, you know. And I will let you guys know on my family vlogging channel, which will be listed in the description below. And I recommend you guys to go and check out every day. I will be updating you guys about my weight loss and my journey to achieving this goal and on my vision board. So please go subscribe, comment, whatever, and watch my journey. I am not gonna post anything about my journey, weight loss journey here. I'm gonna post it on my family vlogging channel. So there's a little clip. Welcome to Los Del Rios. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And also my daughter's channel is in the description below as well, so go and subscribe to her. And before my vision board video, I made a video, or 2 videos before that, I made a video about never giving up, especially for us small YouTubers. And it's so funny because it took me about a week to actually understand what the YouTube new rules really mean. And I thought and I did get the email, I just did not read it, okay? I did not read it. I was paying attention to what everybody else was saying on Facebook, YouTube, and I did not read my own email. And I thought that it meant you need to have 4,000 minutes within 12 months. And I'm like, I have over 30 something thousand minutes within 20, you know, these. Well, I've only had this channel for like what, 8 months now, so I have over 30 something thousand minutes. But it actually means you need to have 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, which I already have, and I'm thankful. But I thought I wasn't gonna be affected, but apparently I am. But it's okay, you know, because to be honest, if anybody really thought that you are gonna get like rich overnight with YouTube, that's just really crazy, because you want, you know, nothing really unless you win the lottery, you know. I don't know anybody who got rich overnight unless they won the lottery, and YouTube is not like that, you know. And I know it's not fair what they're doing, you know. Everybody's mad about it, you know. I was a little sad too, you know, yesterday for like the whole day. I was just like, what in the world? And I was mad more for myself because it took me a week to know it, you know, to actually understand it, instead of like the day when, you know, I actually got the email. I could have, you know, like worked a little bit more, hustled, but who cares, it's fine. I want this channel to be my ministry to people who might find something relatable to what I experienced, to what God does and has done in my life and is doing. And then if there's one or two people that relate to what, you know, I am sharing with you guys, if it affects you in a positive way, if it makes you think, if it encourages you, if it how to say, it makes you think, because the motto of this channel um is like a reminder for us to live a grateful life, because when you have a grateful heart, a healthy mind. And when you have a healthy mind, you have healthy thinking, which produces healthy behaviors, and healthy behaviors turn into healthy actions, and eventually you reap you know, healthy consequences, or you reap a healthy life. You know, I am thankful and grateful for this platform that I have within YouTube community, and I want to use this opportunity and share it with you guys, and encourage, motivate, inspire people with my life, with my living, with my struggles, with my victories, with my triumphs, with everything that God has and is doing in my life. Let's get back to work now. All right, so you know what? I wasn't planning on putting makeup today, but I did it. Last year I used to wear this sweater a lot, and I kind of forgot that I had it, so I brought it up. And I know I'm wearing a lot of sweaters. It's because I'm home most of the time. I really don't feel like putting up clothes, you know, dressing up, but I do like makeup, so I did put makeup for you guys. Hope you guys like it. It's just simple. Pink. Pink, baby, pink. 'Cause Valentine's Day is coming. Love is in the air. You're gonna need these things. 4 things to build your vision board. Obviously, you're gonna need a vision board or a board. So go to Walmart, jot it down in a notebook. You see that? I did that last night. This is how it's going to look. You have to first put it down in writing, so you see it, and then you have it here. You know, arrange it here. This is like your outline, and then you put it, and then it's easier for you to put it in the board. So I printed out everything, all the paperwork. I printed out a motto. Okay, Bruce Lee is one of my favorite, you know, simply because I love karate, and also because he was such a disciplined person, you know, in his art, in his whatever, in his, you know, whatever he was into, his direction. I'm not saying that I agree with everything with, you know, what he did or whatever, but I like the way how disciplined he was as far as his health and his art and his work. You know, he was very disciplined, and obviously, you know, everybody knows that, but he also had some really interesting lines, and this one right here is one that I really enjoy, and it says defeat is a state of mind. No one is ever defeated until defeat has been accepted as a reality. Okay, so you pick a motto that you want to stick to, a message, something that encourages you, and put it in the front right here. We're gonna do it right now, and you see it there and you read it, you know, it's gonna be like, yes, true, I need to stick to that. You know, it can even be a Bible verse. I picked this because it speaks to me a lot, you know, because I'm working on my thinking. I have it all here. Now we're going to cut them. Cut as you go, okay? As you progress, cut what needs to go, you know, next. Don't just cut everything and then you don't know where it is. But that's why you need a notebook to actually see how it's gonna look in the board. You know, first you draw it here. It's like, you know, engineers, when they are trying to build a house or a building, they jot it down first, and then they what? They jot it down first and you know, in a board, and then I mean in a piece of paper, and then it goes in the board. So, oh, and you're gonna need tape as well. All right, so we're done, you know, and here we're gonna go in details. Here, before you put a picture of how you look before you get to your final goal. So you put a picture how you look now, okay? That's what the before stands for. And then current weight, that is how much I weigh right now, okay? That's my goal, minus 40. My reward is my health. And you put a picture of how you actually want to look. You know, you could put a picture of your favorite athlete or your fitness, you know, whatever, somebody. And then in the middle you put some saying, something, a motto that will keep you going. You know, it can be a verse, it can be any saying, something that motivates you for this entire goal, okay? And I like this because I believe that's true, you know. Defeat is a state of mind, okay? Everything that we suffer is between our mind, you know. No one is ever defeated until defeat has been accepted as a reality. So what is it saying? This is how I understand it, that you are defeated when you actually believe that you have been defeated in your mind. You know, if you give up in your mind, you are gonna give up in everything else, okay? But if you don't give up in your mind, you will keep going no matter what obstacles. And let me tell you something, you will have obstacles, and we're going to talk about that later. But keep in mind that you are not defeated until you accept that defeat as your reality. But don't accept it, okay? Don't. And then all these gaps, you can put more words, more sayings that can motivate you, more than just one, you know, all these gaps. Or you can put obstacles that are gonna come, you know. This is for weight loss, so you will have like temptations, you know, but put them in there so that you know they're in front of you, and you're like, oh, I was expecting you, but I'm not gonna let you come in, okay? Everything happens because we let the door open for those things to happen to us most of the time, okay? But now we don't have to just sit down and cry and whine about it. We can do something about it, you know. Here you have the measurements, okay? Weekly measurements. Weekly, you are going to measure your chest, and you can put more lines here and put, you know, this week and the date, I was this, I was this, I was that. Your waist, your hips, okay? And then here, lost pounds. For this plan, I expect to lose 5 pounds every week, okay? And it should take me 2 months to lose that if I do it correctly, and if I actually stick to this plan. So every week you lose 5 pounds, you cross it, you cross it, you cross it, you cross it until you reach your goal. And this is meal plan, okay? So this is my meal plan. Why didn't I put something crazy here? Because I don't believe in any of those diets. I believe that you can eat anything you want but sugar and soda, okay? Especially in this country, everything nowadays has sugar. So sugar is not just found in chocolate, you know. Sugar's found in bread, in pasta, you know, a lot of carbs. So you have to control that as well. But you can build whatever you think that's going to work for you and stick to it, okay? So now, along with the meal plan, you need a lot of water, okay? You're not having soda, now you need water. You could have juice, but I don't think you should, you know, because stick to water, okay? There's nothing better than water. And that's how many glasses a day we should consume, okay? Daily workout, 30-minute walk, 30-minute run. You can pick either the walk or the run. I walk. Sometimes I run, but mostly I walk. And then, I know I printed this with a pencil. Download this app. It's called Map My Walk or Map My Run. It's the same company. I use it. It's that one. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and you can comment below with whether you like it, you're gonna try it, or if you have some other idea. We're done. Hope you guys like this. And like I said, you can build your own, you know. It doesn't have to be this one. You can build whatever goal you might have, you know, or it could be finances, you know, having to pay something. You can jot down, you know, how you're gonna pay that, or if you have a goal to buy a house, you know, what's gonna take you to get that house. Where are the budgets that you know, how you need to budget, where are the cuts that you need to make, or buying your favorite car or your dream car. You first of all, you jot it down here, and then you put it there as a visual incentive, okay, for you to actually go after it and make it happen, you know. And at the same time, don't forget to pray and trust God that He's gonna help you achieve this. But like I said, for me to lose 40 pounds, I can't just, I will trust God to give me the strength to go through, especially when I get tempted, and to give me determination, because when you're trying to achieve something, you know, when you're from your vision board, you are gonna need determination, okay? And determination is an everyday need, an everyday effort, you know, that you have to make from your part. God will help you, but 90% has to come from you, you know. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video soon. I'm gonna start a series every month. I'm gonna stick to something, and this month was more about goals and, you know, on the vision board and how to reach your goals. And I will have more videos this week and next week regards to this. And then on February I will have more. Bye.